we can make real-time decisions to actually change our course of action pretty quickly within the month. So Aleph was started basically as a holding company to house residential trade companies in Minneapolis and to serve local customers. We did painting, we did construction, we did some other home service businesses. We quickly found out painting was our little niche, and so we decided to actually narrow our focus, and then we ended up investing in other painting companies across the nation. It was probably on my mind for a good year of how do we actually automate our reporting process. Our different departments needed broken out reports that were more real time as well. We have 25 plus companies right now that are using LiveFlow, and we're doing the financial reporting for them. We're producing month-end profit and loss statements. We're also producing balance sheet reports, liability reports on a monthly basis. But I think the biggest thing that we're doing is we're producing trend reports that it's incorporating a profit and loss, and then we're forecasting out the next few months to trend out what is revenue going to look like, what's profit going to look like, and we review those pretty intensely on a monthly basis. We've created templates in G-Sheets that is actually, it's filled with LiveFlow data, and so it's automating all of those reports that we can review with each of our individual subsidiaries and our partners, and it has drastically reduced the amount of time it takes to create those reports. The biggest thing was the way that it integrated with G-Sheets. We run on Google, we run on G-Sheets, that's what we use for a lot of our reporting. And the fact that it linked directly into G-Sheets and we could share it across our company and everybody can look at the same report in general was great. But then the fact that it was also live, so any change in QuickBooks was automatically transferred to G-Sheets, that was a game changer for us. So we're sharing reports across our firm. A big example is our marketing department, our sales department, and our ops department are all seeing department level financial reports, and they're responsible for those budgets. And so those become pretty important because people are responsible for overseeing what they spend. And when we move things around or change ledger items, those reports, they become obsolete because they're out of date. And now the fact that this is live and we can see anytime they can log into the report, they can see where they're at with their budget, and it's live. I think my favorite feature is the consolidated feature. That's a big piece of my job, is to see how all of our subsidiaries roll up into the bigger picture of what we're planning and forecasting, and LiveFlow gives us the ability to do that. The biggest surprise for me implementing LiveFlow was it was really a plug-and-play solution. We just turned it on, linked our systems, and we got up and running basically the same day. Within the painting industry, there's a lot of people that have never even produced a financial report, and now we're getting into more professionalization in that industry, and with that comes the need for enhanced financial reporting, enhanced consolidation, and with LiveFlow we've been able to do that, and so that's been a huge win for us. The way I see LiveFlow helping us scale as we move forward is we're going to continue to add companies under our umbrella into our portfolio, and we wouldn't be able to do that at the speed and the scale with which we had if we hadn't had LiveFlow as a part of our tech stack.